and welcome back to another vlog. Literally where I am right now, you guys already see behind me. There's literally no people because Chinese New Year. If you guys are watching my vlog right now, I just want you to wish all my friends a happy Chinese New Year. Only for Singapore or other regions. But look at here, it's off. Nobody is here. But making a vlog because I know you guys will watch. So, literally, what just happened yesterday, I could not make a vlog because I'm lazy. Alright? So, yesterday what just happened, I went to a car event and I went to a car event and there was a lot of sports car. So I take a take of a lot of sport car. So I just want to show you guys what do I mean by a take of a sport car. Everything was a Lamborghini, alright? A Lamborghini with suicide doors, with scissors door, or eraser door. Okay. So this is a short film for you guys to see. Alright? So this is the video. Peace. When I was there, all the car was super noisy, but I did take photo for you guys, maybe for a Lambo or something. But this cool photo of a Lambo, this is a Lamborghini Aventador in pink chrome. I took a photo. It was under the tunnel. The Lamborghini started up. It has a Shrillex exhaust on the pipes of the Lamborghini. So I took a picture of it because I know I want to show my friends my vlog, right? And after that, I took more photos. So after this pink chrome Lamborghini, I'm just gonna show you all what I took more photos at the Lamborghini event. So this is some photos of it. The Lamborghini was absolutely BAM! I really love it. I can't say anything, but I just want to say the event was just BAM! I really like it. So I'm tired. You guys look behind me. What do I have? An unrevealed playground. So that playground is haven't opened yet. Let's go take a look. Look at that playground. It's covered with, I don't know what kind of cloth is that, but it's covered. It's not open yet. So I already promised you all what if the playground is open. I just gonna I just going there and walk around the playground and see what does that. But literally the playground is not yet done, right? So yup. So oh my god. When I was on the Lamborghini event, I was surprised by the car. And today, okay, I've already told y'all what I see and told you all what I have not seen. So literally, we are going up right now. Of course, you guys watch my vlog. You thought I'm an old man, but no, I am a children, alright? I'm still studying. So, my school is quite rich, alright? My school is quite rich. So, when school finishes, I saw a couple of Lamborghinis outside my school, and I saw a couple of Ford Mustang. So I didn't took a photo of the Lamborghini because the Lamborghini was fast when I want to take a photo. Just like, just go and forget me. But I took a picture of Mustang and I took a video of Mustang. So luckily I have the video of Mustang to show you guys what I mean by that. So if you guys watch more vlogs, you have a Mustang, you have a Ferrari, you have a Lamborghini, yeah. For the next vlog, maybe I'm gonna make maybe I'm gonna meet some of my YouTuber fans, I think so, or my fans, and he's a YouTuber too. Yep. So I'm gonna make him maybe the next vlog. But literally, I'm gonna show you the Ford Mustang video that I took after school just now. Right? I didn't take a picture of Lamborghini because the Lamborghini just dashed. Don't know that I'm taking a video or whatever. So this is a video of a Mustang that I took just now. So this is a video. Bam. Ford Mustang. Ford Mustang. Look at that, man. But
Mustang hijau. Tayar hijau, tayar pancing.
So that was a video of the Ford Mustang that I saw after school just now. So right now, where are we going? We just bought something just now, and then after that, we are going down for some activities. Okay, so I don't know what I'm doing. Oh shit, man. I'm sorry. Oh.
You know, Martin, right? When he's small, he's fat, you know.
Yeah, yeah. So we are going down right now to play some activities. Maybe I will be recording or not because I don't like recording. I'm naked. Hey. So let's go and do some activities for you guys. Peace out. That GTR was absolutely epic, guys. I showed you the GTR photo, right? Oh, I haven't yet. Sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. Okay, what just happened just now? Over there, I don't know if you can see, but over that road, there's a chrome blue GTR. I quickly took my phone out and took a video for you guys, alright? So make sure you subscribe, alright? Or like. I saw chrome blue Nissan GTR. I took a video, right? I took a video of GTR. So that GTR was just like, take a look at this video and then you know what I did. Oh wow, look at that. Woo! Chromey blue Nissan GTR. So just now I saw a Lamborghini Aventador in chrome silver. So I had the photo. I will show you this photo of a Lamborghini in chrome silver. So I have nothing much to do. I just want to wrap up today's vlog. For the next vlog, something interesting is gonna come. So make sure you watch another vlog. Alright? So we're gonna wrap up today's vlog here because I have nothing much to do for you guys. So I'm Tanner Fox here. See you in the next vlog. Peace out.